If you've ever needed a second screen for your laptop or maybe even phone, an extended monitor for your makeshift camera rigs, you should know how important flexibility and quality are. That's why this 14-inch 2K mini LED monitor from UPERFECT caught our attention. It promises a lot of what we'd need from a secondary or extended display, like portability, brightness, resolution, and multi-use support. Roll that OBB. At a 14-inch diagonal with some change accounting for the borders, it's a pretty slick-looking portable monitor encased in aluminum. There's a built-in stand at the back with a stiff hinge that made us think twice about opening it up. After that first time though, it does loosen up a little bit, and we definitely like it being there compared to other portable monitors that ship with flimsy folio cases. For buttons, the power button and menu navigation rocker can be found on its right side. Its slim bezels and overall compact profile quite literally make it look like we just stole a screen from a 14-inch laptop, at least from the front. Thanks to its weight of 0.49 kilograms or 1 pound, it's very easy to chug it into a backpack and kind of forget it's there because of how lightweight it is. Display quality is where the UPERFECT 14-inch 2K mini LED monitor really shines. It utilizes a 14-inch 2K mini LED panel that offers a high peak brightness at 1500 nits, 100% coverage of the sRGB color gamut, and a 60Hz refresh rate. In practice, using it in a brightly lit studio environment, the screen held up well, with outdoor use definitely possible. So whether we need a monitor to facilitate our talking heads, monitor our flatlays, or even just use as an extended monitor for our PCs or smartphones, the UPERFECT 14-inch 2K mini LED monitor does the job. Connectivity options include 2 full-featured USB Type-C ports that get video out and power delivery, a mini HDMI port, and a 3.5mm audio jack for wired listening. This means we could plug it into a Mac Mini, Nook, laptop, mirrorless camera, or anything alike. As long as it can transmit video through a Type-C or HDMI port, it should be possible. We also appreciate that there are 2 USB Type-C to C cables and a full-sized HDMI to mini HDMI cable included in the box, with an additional power brick to power the monitor when connecting via HDMI. Wrapping this video up, while the brightness is excellent, the refresh rate is standard at 60 Hz, which isn't the biggest deal if you aren't gaming. As a portable monitor for use in video production, natively we still need a stable surface or a way to MacGyver the setup. The built-in stand is decent, but it still isn't a full tripod mount. Furthermore, for production use, we'd still recommend color calibrating it if color accuracy is critical for the end user. Although out of the box, it does look very good for general work. Either way, in our opinion, the UPERFECT 14-inch 2K mini LED monitor is a pretty good pick for about 17,000 pesos from their website directly. It ticks the boxes for portability, resolution, brightness, and versatility. It's not a high-end gaming monitor, but for our video production and productivity needs, it hits that sweet spot. So, what did you guys think of the UPERFECT 14-inch 2K mini LED monitor? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, UPERFECT 14-inch 2K mini LED portable monitor, Miguel T, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.